Today is a Monday and I'm thinking of showing you my day. So it's 7:30 and I'll work out a little and then we'll go take shower, we'll go for breakfast. And I do this 15 minutes dance workout which is amazing because you don't have time. This is the most exciting part of the day if it's good. If it's not, it's not. Like अभी मैं इतनी शांति से चल रही हूँ because it's pancakes जो एकदम ही खराब बना दी थी. ना स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज में थोड़े फॉरेनर्स आए, वो लोग कुत्तों को देख के खुश हो रहे हैं. देखिए सो स्वीट कर काटेगा ना तो पता चलेगा गोरी पकौड़ी. So right now it's 2:05 and we have a next lecture at 2:20. So I had 2 lectures and then after that I went for lunch. Both the classes today were like very fun. The first was financial management. I don't like finance that much, but the friends surrounded with me are like we are really fun. And marketing was fun because we had a presentation and then we also had a case study. Now we have project management. I don't like it, but yes. A day ahead is after the lecture 4:30 I have a meeting with the committee. After
What we just did, it is also not.
लूट के आई हूँ गाइस. मैं भागते भागते क्लास में आई थी. ये मेरा हर रोज़ का सीन है, इसमें कोई नई बात रही है ऐसा आपके डार्क आई. अरे मस्ती नहीं रुक पाती यार, बट बहुत मज़ा आता है मस्ती करने में. मस्ती ऑन टॉप. ओके बाय, वी आर स्टडिंग. टेक केयर, सी यू, से बाय. That was a Monday, the last time that I recorded, and today is a Wednesday. मुझे पता ही नहीं है मेरे 2 दिन कैसे निकले. Also one person asked me in the last video that is it worth it doing MBA 21 or 23 something. Yes, I think MBA is really worth it. Only condition is that you do it from a great college. Like second, how is my college? I cannot give you very real review or anything because it's against the policies. So yes, I'll do that after I leave the college, but all I can say is that go for colleges which have much higher ranks, like they stand at top 30 or top 50. Go in those colleges. Guys, we are going for lunch. This पीने में क्या है? छाछ है शायद. नहीं, छाछ तो कल भूल गई ना तो पहले. It is the same day. It's the Wednesday and I am going to the office, the committee room, our office, because that's where me and my committee members work. We are done. We are now going back. It is dark now. I came when it wasn't dark. It's cream roll के नाम पे they've served us maskaban. Maskaban is very nice. I like it. So hi, it's 9 p.m. and I'm not hungry, so I'm not going to have dinner. I'm also planning to sleep by 10. All the fingers crossed because yesterday also I thought कि मैं सो जाऊँगी 10 बजे, बट वो बजते बजते 12:30 हो गए. अगर तुम MBA करने आ रहे हो, just come prepared that you will not have enough sleep. And secondly, tomorrow I have very long days. Like I have to be there at 8:30 a.m. So I'll do chumpy. मैंने आपको बोला था मैं 10 बजे सो जाऊँगी. अभी हो रहे 9:45 और मैं वॉकिंग करने आई हूँ. Let's go. आटा मार रहे हैं हम लोग. थोड़ा सा तो फ्रेशनेस चाहिए ना इंसान को. पूरे दिन काम ही करता रहे बस. बताओ. सही बात है. पावर ऑफ गर्ल्स. तीनों के तीन मैं हूँ. We are done with the walking. We are going back to room. I mean, I am going back to my room. She is going back to her room. As said before, Chumpy is done. And मैं मेरी दोनों बाटली अभी शाबाश. दोनों बाटली अभी भर के लेके आऊँ because the first thing I need in the morning is water. So ready going. एक ईयरिंग है मेरे पास जो मैं हमेशा पहनती हूँ. So that and my watch, I'll show you. Wait, this is the watch that I wear almost every day because I have only 2. But yes, I love watches. Check because why not? So pretty. The dhoop is wow. So pretty I am. Ha ha. I'm this close to breaking down. This close. इतनी ज़्यादा भसड़ मच चुकी है ना जीवन में, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. ऐसे दिनों से अच्छा दिन हो ही ना भाई. very tired guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. It's the Friday and yes, I am ready and I'll be going. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोई हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से सोई हूँ. So I'm feeling very good. बिकॉज इट वॉज रियली अ टायरिंग डे yesterday. मतलब मैं चल नहीं पा रही थी, मेरे पैर उतने ज़्यादा दर्द कर गए थे. आई एम गोइंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. आई एम लेट एज यूजल बट लेट्स गो. मसाला उत्तपम इन breakfast today. I love South Indian food very 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 much. I'm very late. At this point, after certain times, I've just stopped caring.
Crazy.
What a class, bhai. What a class. What a class. He saved us. गाइस हमारी स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट की क्लास चल रही है और हमारे ग्रुप के प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहे हैं. हम दोनों अलग ग्रुप में हैं बट मुझे दूर बैठना अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो मैं गोइंग बैक टू रूम क्योंकि गेस व्हाट, मेरी कमिटी से फिर से काम आ गया था. आई विल अगेन वेयर फॉर्मल्स एंड देन गो. आज मैंने मुश्किल से, बहुत ही मुश्किल से अच्छे कपड़े डाले कि ओ वाओ लेट्स जस्ट वेयर समथिंग गुड, एंड मुझे फिर से इन्हीं कपड़ों में आना पड़ा. But okay, this also does not look that bad. Might complain a lot and everything, but I love this life. Like I love being busy and everything. Like जिसमें दिन कहाँ निकल जाए पता ना चले. अगर ऐसे दिन हो तो उससे बेटर और कोई दिन नहीं हो सकता. Genuinely, I would choose this over and over again. We are done, guys. We are going back to the room and we will sleep. So I was saying that. मैं सोई तो नहीं, but I just laid on my bed for some time. I'm going back again. This is the third outfit change. Outfit तो नहीं है मतलब, but yes. I thought the day was ending, and so I was trying to finish that video, but I guess it's not, because Grooves, which is the dance club, it's having their performance sort of. So I'm going, and I've dressed cute again. Bye. I'll see you once I go down. And then today I'll end this video. This has become a full week. मतलब week तो क्या ही, 2 दिन तो मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं, but फिर भी it has been a fun thing. Hi, this is so cute, yaar. This is so cute. I'm in love with me, with the outfit, but more with me. Hi guys, we are done for the day. What a day. Anywhere where is dance, it is fun. At any point in life, there's music playing and you're dancing is the best part of the life, of the moment, of the day, of the year. Best. And just dance, and everybody's dancing. And the songs, Bollywood songs, ekdam jingad and all. Wow. Best. Committees like this only because they let people have fun. Meri committee mein there's no fun. There's only work. So I love sports committee and groups because they let people have a little relaxation.